Yo, what is up, guys? So another video here, and today I got my brand new steering wheel from NRG. It just came in today, like 2 minutes ago. I just picked it up and grabbed my camera, started vlogging, and then this is the adapter for it too. This is the adapter for this, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing right now, and after that we're gonna put it inside my car. I'll see you guys the unboxing. All right, so as you can tell, I did hurt my hand, but it's fine. It's from work. So we're gonna unbox this NRG steering wheel today. And, oh shoot! Hopefully. All right. I guess we have to unscrew the little nuts right here from the back to get the steering wheel out, but we will need that too. So I did get the Galaxy color one, gloss Galaxy color, and it looks nice. It's firm. I like it. All right. Alright, so I did get it out, and first look of it is really nice, but I just hope they made it into a better quality. Oh, okay, never mind. It's really good quality. Just I'm just the paint. There's some paint in the edges right here, so I don't know if you guys will see that, but like once you get it off the box, there's like a little like white thing in there. But I guess I could just clean that off. But overall, the steering wheel is really good, high quality, good quality, energy. It's really good. I'm gonna be enjoying it while I'm driving. I could also take it off when I'm going home too, or when I feel like I don't want to drive, so no one can steal my car. But yeah, and we're gonna unbox the next box right now for this. The next box will be from the quick release for this type of steering wheel. Now I'll pull up my car and install this thing. All right, so let's pull up the car right now and disconnect the battery and wait till like a few more minutes until so the airbag doesn't go off on us. So I'm gonna pull it up right now. Okay, so the car is up, and before you guys start working on your steering wheel, make sure you disconnect your battery first. Yeah, make sure you disconnect your battery first, your positive and negative, and then wait till like a few more minutes till so there's no more power inside the airbags. So you want to take out the airbags and take out the whole assembly itself. So disconnect that, and then you'll be good. Now to take out the battery, you just need a 10 millimeter socket or anything 10 millimeter. So loosen it up.
Negative is out. Now I can take the positive battery out. Oh, positive is out. I guess I tightened it up when I stopped the lights, I guess. But yeah.
Once now it's out, just wait a little, probably 10-15 minutes so the airbags doesn't have enough power. Okay. Okay, so you guys might be wondering right now why I have different shirt and different pants on, because it is like 2 days ago I made that last scene because I couldn't find the right tool, and finally I found the right tool. So once you find the right tool, make sure you take out both of them. Take both of them out, so slowly. Hey! No, no! No, no, go back! Go back to Nanai! Oh, see, you almost fell. Go back to Nanai. Okay, so recap. Once you unplug the battery, wait 15 minutes, and then once you take out the airbag off, disconnect it. You wait another 10 minutes, and then you'll be fine taking this out with the T30 torque bolt. So just take it out. It may be hard, but I'm doing this all in one hand because I have injury in my other hand, in my right hand. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh shit. I'll get that later once I get the other one out. So. Okay, so I got it loosened up. Taking it out slowly. It sucks doing it with one hand. Woo! Alright. Alright, so we got 2 bolts out. And then we're going to take out the whole airbag itself. And make sure you watch out for the connectors too. Make sure you just like slide it out. You know. So we're going to struggle right now. So, oh, there you go. So it's all out. Once it's all out, we're just going to unbolt these right here. 1, 2, 3. Another one. And if you do want to go back to OEM steering wheel, you know, make sure you save these. Oh, shoot. Make sure you save the old bolts because it's still usable. You know, I do plan on going back to OEM if I ever do sell the car. So it's worth more value. So make sure you save these. So we're just going to put this aside for now on the ground. Alright. Now we're just going to take these out right here. Actually, we don't have to remove any of these. Just get 14 millimeter bolt and just take these out. Don't take it out all the way, just loosely. Then you can shake the wheel and fry it out or anything like that. So we're gonna do that right now. See you guys in a bit. All right, so to make it a little easier because I was having trouble with it. Just unplug the whole shit. Like this this is connected to here. And I didn't know, I didn't know that I was supposed to unplug it, but, I was struggling because I took all the other stuff inside just to get the wires out. But I just unplugged it, so, yeah, that's the easiest way. But, set this aside. Put this right here. Now we are ready to install our NRG aftermarket steering wheel. Do that right now. We'll set it up and we'll see. Okay, so once you get your steering wheel ready and your hub, just feed it through under here, the wire, first main wire. Let's fit the hub. Hold on. Such a struggle. I'm struggling, boys. Alright. So he's just gonna feed it through. This is the main hub. Make sure your whole wheel is all straight the whole time while you're doing this, or probably messed up if you don't. So just make sure that it's straight. There you go. Fit snugly. Fit snug actually. All right, so this is the central hub. Now we're just gonna put the middle bolt on first and tighten that before anything else. Right, get our 14 again. Now for my car, I won't be installing my horn because I'm still waiting on my quick release. But you can still install your whole setup without the quick release. You just can't take it out anytime. It'll just be there. But I'll show you guys that right now. So get your whole NRG thing wheel aligned. We are gonna put this first right here. So we're not gonna be doing the horn right now, and I don't have my quick release yet. But when I do, I'll show you guys another video how to install a quick release with this. So I'm just waiting for it in the mail, but we'll see. Yep, that's how it is. It does look nice on the car right now. Oh my god, I'm so happy. But my my quick release will be coming in probably a week from now. So I'm gonna be putting that on, and this will look even way better if I do. So I'll probably see this probably be in the same video, but if not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe for more content, or if you want to see more. Peace.